These are 10 hacks Logan Paul has used to construct a social media empire. Logan Paul is more than just viral videos and controversies. He's the blueprint for brand building in the digital age. Beyond the laughs, the stunts, and the controversies lies a strategy so brilliant even Wall Street would tip their hats. From the streets of Los Angeles to the electric rings of boxing, Logan Paul leaves an impression wherever he goes. So how does he do it? Hack number 1 is consistent brand image. Logan Paul's online fame ignited on Vine, a platform where short, snappy videos ruled. While many struggled to make a lasting impact in just 6 seconds, Logan cracked the code. His energetic personality, coupled with humor and outrageous stunts, made him a standout. But as we know, Vine has had its curtains drawn and many creators faded with it. But not Logan. He seamlessly pivoted to YouTube, a platform demanding longer, more polished content. While most people found the transition challenging, Logan made his smooth. The reason for this was Logan retained what his viewers wanted. He kept his core brand image intact and he didn't alienate his Vine followers. Instead, he invited them to follow him on a new adventure. This consistency became Logan's superpower. Whether Vine or YouTube, a Logan Paul video always felt distinctively Logan. Fans always knew what to expect and were rarely disappointed. Over time, this predictability kept his audience curious and attached, always eager for his next move. In branding, trust is gold. By maintaining consistency, Logan built a reservoir of trust, ensuring his followers remained loyal through platform transitions and beyond. Hack number 2 is diversifying content offerings. Logan Paul, a name that started in the tight-knit loops of Vine, now resonates across diverse platforms, and here's why. He's a master of content diversification. From the roped rings of boxing to the amplified echoes of WWE, Logan is no stranger to physical contests, proving he's as gutsy in the ring as he is behind the camera. These ventures have not just showcased his athleticism, but have roped in sports fans around the world, adding fresh fans to his already huge follower base. Now switch gears to the Impulsive podcast. Here, Logan sheds his boxing gloves for a mic, offering conversations with many different celebrities. The power of podcasts are insane because it allows you to go in depth into many different topics, giving the viewer the opportunity to be able to understand and relate to the topic you're talking about. Almost creating a friendship type of sensation to the viewer with allowing them to feel like they know Logan Paul. One day, Logan is interviewing a celebrity, the next he's preparing for a fight. This wide range of content offerings ensures he's not just relevant to a teen, but also to a boxing fan or a podcast enthusiast. Logan Paul is everywhere, reaching everyone, and that's the genius of diversifying content. Hack number 3 is collaborations and networking. Logan Paul knows the power of connections. He's a master at collaborating with big names, fellow YouTubers, or other influencers. Remember when he teamed up with KSI, a prominent British YouTuber? That wasn't just for entertainment, it was a calculated move. When Logan collaborates, he merges 2 fan bases. KSI fans and Logan Paul fans united, watching content featuring both of their favorite creators. And it's not just about views or numbers. Collaborations build respect. When Logan works with well-known figures, it sends a message. He's a key player in the influencer world. More so, these collaborations aren't a one-off thing. They result in an expanded network. Today's collaboration partner can be tomorrow's business partner or podcast guest. Each collaboration strengthens Logan's ties in the influencer community. In essence, by teaming up with other big names, Logan doesn't just increase his reach, he solidifies his position as a top-tier influencer. It's a smart strategy, proving that in the digital world, working together often leads to bigger success. Hack number 4 is cross-promotion across platforms. In the vast world of social media, every platform has its unique audience. Logan Paul masterfully utilizes this by cross-promoting his ventures on various platforms. Here's how he does it. Take his podcast, for instance. After wrapping up a fiery episode or getting a high-profile guest, where does he head next? His YouTube channel. By posting snippets or behind-the-scenes footage, he lures his massive YouTube following to check out the full podcast episodes. It's not just direct promotion. Sometimes it's a subtle mention or an intriguing teaser that does the trick. Then there's Instagram, Logan's photo and story haven. When a big boxing match is on the horizon, Logan's followers are the first to know. Clips from training sessions, candid moments, or even posters of the event find their way to his Instagram stories and posts. The result? Anticipation builds, discussions ignite, and his YouTube or live streaming links get swarmed on the day of the event. The beauty of this strategy is twofold. Firstly, it allows Logan to tap into different audience segments. Not all YouTube subscribers may follow him on Instagram and vice versa. Secondly, it keeps his content fresh. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram or binging on YouTube, you can't not see Logan's brand. Cross-promotion as practiced by Logan is not about being everywhere, but making every presence count. Hack number 5 is leveraging controversy. Logan Paul's journey to stardom hasn't been without its speed bumps. Remember the backlash he got from his video in Japan? Many felt it was insensitive and it became one of the biggest controversies of his career. However, instead of disappearing under the weight of criticism, Logan showcased a masterclass in handling public outcry. First, he issued an apology. Not just in written form, but he also released a video. This human touch allowed viewers to gauge his sincerity. Then he took a short pause from vlogging to reflect on his feelings, returning with a dedication to suicide prevention. By producing a documentary on the topic, he not only showed his commitment to making amends, but also educated many of his viewers. Another example was his taser incident. While it led to temporary demonetization on YouTube, he used the setback as a stepping stone. Logan pivoted his content strategy, maintained his brand presence, and eventually returned even stronger. The key takeaway here are mistakes happen, but it's how you respond to them that matters. Logan's controversies teach us the essence of crisis management. Acknowledge, apologize, take corrective action, and most importantly, evolve. Through smart, sincere responses, controversies can, counterintuitively, become catalysts for growth and brand strengthening. Hack number 6 is utilizing merchandise and business ventures. Enter the world of Logan Paul, a YouTuber known for his viral videos, and you'll quickly stumble upon his ventures outside the realm of digital content. One of the standout ventures is Prime Hydration. Teaming up with former boxing rival KSI, Logan introduced the world to Prime Hydration. But this wasn't just another celebrity-endorsed drink. This was a venture where both Logan and KSI held ownership stakes, ensuring their commitment wasn't fleeting. Prime Hydration's staggering $110 million in internal revenue is a testament to its success. While Logan and KSI are the visible faces, credit also goes to Max Clemens and Trey Steger of Congo Brands. Their expertise in merging influencer platforms with consumer businesses was the backbone of Prime's journey. This wasn't just about slapping two famous names on a can. It was a calculated business move. The collaboration between the YouTube titans and Congo Brands led to a drink that filled a gap in the market, bypassing giants like Gatorade and Body Armor. The brand also solidifies partnerships with major names like Arsenal Football Club and the UFC. It's a reminder that in today's age, a personal brand can evolve into one of the top brands in any industry. Hack number 7 is storytelling. Every great brand knows the magic of storytelling. For Logan Paul, this isn't just a strategy, it's an art form. He's a master at crafting stories, turning ordinary events into extravagant events. Take his boxing journey as an example. Instead of simply presenting it's a new sport adventure he's going on, Logan crafted a narrative of an underdog rising, battling challenges, and pursuing greatness. The anticipation, the training, the highs and lows, each detail became a chapter in his epic story. Then there's his business side. When launching Maverick by Logan Paul, he didn't just sell clothing. He sold a rebellion, a movement for those daring to be different. He intertwined his personal journey into the brand, making fans not just consumers, but participate in the story. Stories stir emotions, and emotions drive action. By giving his experiences a narrative touch, Logan doesn't just share content, he offers adventures. It's no surprise that people are drawn to his videos, not just for Logan himself, but for the captivating stories he tells. Whether he's in the ring, behind the mic, or launching a brand, Logan's stories make sure that the audience is right there with him, eagerly awaiting the next chapter. Hack number 8 is community building. One of Logan's standout strategies is undeniably his strategy for community building, notably through the Maverick Club. This isn't just any club, it's an exclusive club for the biggest supporting Logan Paul fans. Subscribers aren't just watching content passively here. Instead, they're treated to exclusive content not available to the masses. From limited edition Maverick clothing, getting dibs on exclusive discounts, to being a part of exceptional giveaways, members of the Maverick Club enjoy an inside look into the Maverick world. But the Maverick Club isn't where Logan's community engagement stops. He's consistently active, responding to fans' comments, giving shoutouts, and even organizing fan meetups. It's a two-way street. While fans receive Logan's attention and exclusives, he gets insights, feedback, and unwavering loyalty in return. Lastly, his podcast isn't just a show. It's an extended hand of community building. It allows for deeper dives into topics, more intimate fan interactions, and the chance for fans to really get to know the man behind the camera. Through these strategies, Logan Paul isn't just building a fan base, he's crafting a tightly knit community. Hack number 9 is investing in high-quality production. In the competitive realm of digital content where everyone's trying to make their mark, Logan Paul sets himself apart with an unwavering commitment to quality. The saying, "content is king," rings true, but when the king is dressed to impress, he commands attention. Take a look at Logan's videos. Unlike many creators who might settle for basic setups, Logan ensures his video and audio quality are top-notch. By investing in high-grade cameras, he achieves cinematic shots that elevate his content to a near-professional film standard. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about giving viewers a visual treat every time they click on a video. And the same goes with his podcast. Logan's podcasts stand out in terms of sound clarity. Where some podcasters rely solely on basic microphones, Logan's team ensures that every word spoken is crisp and clear. There's no straining to hear or understand. It's a smooth listening experience from start to finish. The viewers and listeners are treated to an enhanced user experience. But more importantly, Logan stands miles apart from those creators who are content with the amateur tag. By pushing for the best, Logan Paul not only elevates his brand, but sets a gold standard for digital creators everywhere. Hack number 10 is personal growth and learning. Logan Paul's journey isn't just about the videos or headline-grabbing events. It's deeply rooted into self-improvement. He's made a few mistakes, but instead of burying them, Logan owns up, learns, and redirects his path. This authenticity is a magnet for many of his followers. Take his dive into boxing. It wasn't a mere stunt. Logan invested time, sweat, and resources to train rigorously. This wasn't just about a match. It showcased his dedication to pushing personal boundaries. Similar to his podcast and business ventures, Logan doesn't just wing it. He educates himself, ensuring he's informed and prepared. It's the hunger for knowledge and growth that sets him apart. Ultimately, Logan's personal growth isn't just about self-improvement, it's about brand strategy. By showing his evolution, he illustrates that brands, like people, can learn and evolve. This ability to be able to adapt resonates with audiences, making his brand more relatable and inspiring. In a digital age where everyone's watching, growing out loud might just be Logan's master strategy.